Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take off the rear brake lever, or pedal actually. Alright, then I'm going to take out these screws that hold together the side case. They are enormously long. Alright, and with that done, you can pop off the side case. There's some linkage in here. It hits this pin for the clutch, but that should be okay. I'm going to try to keep these bolts roughly where they are. You just kind of wiggle this off. Kind of get it even all the way around. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There it goes. Alright. Then, once I pop it off, just kind of flip it out of the way. We're going to mainly be inside there. Alright, there it goes. So I'm just going to set that aside. Now we can adjust the... looks like I got to turn on the air compressor.